everyone. So we are going to do our vegetable garden this side of our property. So this is the second space. We have this first space where we can play, and this one we are going to put our new vegetable garden, right sweetie? So we bought all the materials that we needed. A fence which is sturdy. Yeah, so I'm going to help my husband, guys. So this is our irrigation, guys. So it's easier for us to irrigate the vegetables this side. Asparagus, guys, asparagus. I have to harvest this asparagus, everyone, as you all can see. Yes. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Can you see? All of these are asparagus and they are ready to harvest. But I have to plant them, guys. I have to harvest these ones and I will plant them. I'm coming.
Fai boniche, che erano un po' nord. Come si devono preparare il freddo?
No, non mi so video della valla. El Russell está prenent el sol.
On?
Aquí a davant on estan les plantes de la mama. Està dormint.
Ah, la meva s'ha sortit.
Sí.
Mira l'Everes. La meva Everest ha vingut a buscar carinyo de la mama i tot.
Okay, guys, so we finished putting the fence until there to here, because the color of the fence is green, so you cannot totally see. But if we go and see it, look, my husband and Lakota. Here. Yes, very nice. Huh. Very nice. Finally. We have the fence that side already. So we have to continue later. Maybe from, yes, this one until that side, and then there where is the watering can, guys. And then this side, this one is the door. So we have 2 doors. And look, guys, these are the celery that I planted the other day, and I'm not sure if they are going to survive because I forgot to irrigate, guys. That is why. And in here as well, but I think, yeah, they're going to survive. I will let you know, guys. Yes. Okay, guys, so this is the fence that we made, and this is near the cypress trees. So we have this like alley to walk, and we are going to fix it later, and we will tense it better to make it straight like that. Because these ones are so short, that is why.
¿Qué le pasa que está tan guapa?
E quando andare alla mia casa, non ti potremo.
No, ¿cuánto se ha montado con un país?
Sì, già l'ho visto.
Cariño? Está. Sí, ¿no?
Lo posso toccare di
Sí, aquí está. Espera.
una famosa.
1, 2, 3. Inimbenakit, no? Mulbe, no?
Está muy chulo. Sí, porque son inundaciones antes a más.
Oh.
Hay unas zonas, ¿no? Aquest programa d'October-Night té
No
algo
m'agrada.
raro, no m'acaba de convèncer.
Ni a mi.
Oi que no? Misteris de Laura t'agrada més.
Sì.
Bé. suda, ¿sí o no? Esta vez si no llega, ¿no? Sí.
Hello guys, so finally we finished putting up our fence, guys, as you all can tell. So this is the front, guys, and we could also manage to make a provisional a temporary door, guys. So that's it. And we have to make one more that side to the other side, guys. That side we put it like this way, so I can start doing things inside, guys. I can start preparing our vegetable garden. Yes, and hopefully we will have a very nice weather very soon, guys. It is so sunny, but it's windy and it's also cold. So all the trees are bare aside from the pine tree and this lupat. And all bare.